Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, and as you can see with our key fob here, we've got the remote doors. All of those can be opened. We've got a brand new manual conversion, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. You can see I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. These clamps here keep these ramps from rattling. It's a really good design. You see some of those ramps have a twist here in the middle or a slide. Those are going to rattle on you. I promise you, they're going to bother you, they're going to annoy you. So just keep in mind, this is a great design here. It's got a handle on either side. And look here, I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. That's all it takes. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. Ramp itself is 34 inches wide, which is 4 inches wider than a side entry. It does taper down to 32 there at the base where the ramp sets. It does have 8 tie-down points, designed to hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. Between these middle row seats, there's 21 inches of room. Most times the chair will slide, a person's legs will sit right between those. If you need seats that flip up on their sides, if you need more room, we can possibly remove a seat. Tell us what you need and we'll try to make this van accommodate your needs. It's got a little charging port back there. It's a nice feature to have if you have a oxygen concentrator or something that might run off the outlet. The dash is in excellent condition. A steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road while you're messing with the radio, backup camera, dual climate control, rear air, this nice leather stitching, that fancy center console on there. Our rear air controls back here as well. The headliner looks great. We do give a free set of Q-straight pull tight tie downs away with each van to tie the chair down. You can see, look, 1 finger. That's all it takes to get it back up. Clamp it down. And you're ready to roll. Now, let's say you're going to use this van for a cab company and you don't want these electric doors. You can put the you can shut the doors here, as you can see, electric, and you can also turn them off and make them manual doors, so they'll just slide shut just like that. So the option, electric or manual, with touch of a button, very easy to do. Set it down and you're ready to roll. Exterior of the van, very clean. It's got the roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. Alloy wheels. We got 4 brand new tires on it. I mean brand new tires on it. Tinted windows. I'm going to do a walk around. This van is very clean. It's hard to find a dent or scratch on this. It's been very well taken care of. Like I said, 1 owner. That's what we're looking for. We're looking, vans that have been well taken care of, been kept up. Super clean van. I know you'll be very impressed with it once you lay your eyes on it in person as well. It's got the leather seating with the cloth center there. It's got your owner's manual, user's guide in there. Another great feature it has, remote start. Hey, and that's even good in the summertime. I mean, it's great for the winter time to warm it up, warm the vehicle up. Boy, in the summertime though, you got these leather seats. You want that air conditioner running. That auto start is a great feature to have. As you can hear, the radio works. It's got the no check engine light, no dummy lights on, none of that. Like I said, backup camera. Oh, I gotta turn it on here. There you go, put the key in it. Now you can see all the dummy lights go out. No check engine light, no airbag light, none of that. Power mirrors, windows, locks, they all work. Here it's moving. I didn't have the button pushed in. Everything works on this van. We tested the heat, the air. A lot of these dealers are going to get you to come out to look at their vehicles, and they're going to get out there and there's going to be a lot of issues they didn't tell you about. That's why I make these videos. I don't want to hide anything from you. I want you to know that if you purchase this van, whether we ship it to you or you come in and drive it home, you know everything that I know about the van before you get here. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 Dodge engine. Very clean. No signs of any leaks, no signs of any damage. No signs of any abnormal rust or anything like that, And we inspect these very close before we buy them. This falls under the 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty from Dodge that covers 100% of the engine and transmission at any Dodge dealer in the country. So it falls under the specs to be covered under that. And as you can see underneath, it looks dry. No signs of any frame damage, no signs of any rust. And I'm buying from the same perspective you are. I don't want something that's been pulled out from a flood. I don't want something that's been in a bad accident. I want nice, clean vehicles I can put on the highway. And that's the number one mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it's 2019. They assume because it's pretty in pictures. They assume because the salesman's nice to them, they assume it's going to run and drive good. They assume it's not all rusted out. You'll notice our competition, they rarely, if ever, show the undercarriage of these vans. There's a reason for that. They buy these vans from Chicago and New York and up north and northeast where they're all rusted out underneath. And I'm telling you what, if you buy a van that's 2019 and it's already having rust issues, a year or two from now, you're gonna have major problems on your hands. So my point is, don't assume things. Demand a video like this. If someone's gonna ask you to pay a lot of money for a mobility van, tell them to get off their butts and get out there and make you a video. And if they won't do it, who you're buying from and what are they trying to sell you? People get burned on the internet every single day. Don't be one of them. Demand a video. Let's get this out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift, and you don't have to assume things. This van runs and drives good. We've done our due diligence. We're being honest as we possibly can. It's got good acceleration, gets up to about 67 miles an hour, no problems. The steering wheel is nice and straight. That's exactly what we want. This van drives very nice down the highway. I've got the cruise control set about 65 miles an hour. And listen, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Keep in mind, we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Last I saw on eBay, we had about 700 transactions. We received positive feedback on all of those transactions. That's 700 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. Last I saw on our Google reviews, we were 4.8 out of 5 stars. My point is, not all dealers are equal. We're not all the same. Car dealers get a bad name, and there's a reason for it. There's a lot of shysters out there. Hope you can see by our videos and our reputation that we're trying to be honest and fair as we possibly can. With that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. We strongly recommend an extended warranty with every used vehicle. I cannot control what happens with these vehicles once they leave the lot, and I'm selling these for $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 less than the competition. I cannot afford to be your warranty company. I strongly suggest a used vehicle warranty. Nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise. So again, exactly what we're looking for, and I do believe if this van's well taken care of, it should make a great vehicle for whether it be your family or your medical transportation business. Should be a great vehicle for many years to come. And if you want to see our entire inventory with detailed videos like this, free auto check reports, and many pictures and a full description, check us out, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And when comparing us to the competition, keep in mind, when you talk to the competition, you're probably going to call and talk to a used car salesman. Those used car salesmen don't generally care if you get the truth. They're probably going to be working somewhere else in a month or two chasing that commission check. And that's really all they care about, is that commission check. So if you want to talk to a used car salesman, give the competition a call. If you want to talk to the owner, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, if texting is easier for you, give me a text. 316-518-4377. You now have the owner's cell phone number. I want you to talk to one of those big companies like a Freedom Motors or a Bronability or one of those big old dealers. I want you to ask them, hey, I want the owner's cell phone number. If there's ever an issue, I can reach out and grab the owner and talk to them personally. Let me know how that goes for you. I'd like to see if you can get the owner's or even a general manager's cell phone number to call them anytime you need to. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone. We can send one to your email, or we can take one over the phone verbally if that's easier for you. If you're ever going to come in, please call and make an appointment with me. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. I'm out doing stuff like this quite a bit. So give me a call, give me a text. Let me know how I can help. Again, my name is Jeremiah. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.